You are welcome to Nature Nurture Hub, where your love for plants grows into a thriving garden of knowledge and beauty. There's something utterly magical about watching a Cape Marigold, also known as African daisy, unfurl its vibrant petals in the morning sunlight, a moment that feels like pure joy blooming right before your eyes. These flowers aren't just a visual treat, they're nature's way of smiling back at the sun. If you've ever dreamed of growing a garden filled with color, resilience, and effortless beauty, then Cape Marigolds, African daisy is your perfect start. Cape Marigolds are sun-loving annuals native to South Africa, but have become beloved across the USA for their easy-going nature and brilliant, daisy-like flowers that thrive in warm, dry conditions. The good news: even if you're a beginner gardener, you can grow these blooms like a pro with just a little attention to light, water, and care. Let's start with their favorite condition, light. African daisies adore full sun. The more sunlight they receive, the more they bloom. Think of them as tiny solar panels of joy. Every ray of sunshine they soak up translates into brighter, bolder flowers. If you're planting in your yard, choose a spot that gets at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight daily. For container gardens or balconies, make sure they're not shaded by nearby plants or structures. When it comes to temperature, Cape Marigolds prefer a moderate climate. Warm days and cool nights are ideal. They thrive in temperatures between 60 degrees VF and 75 degrees VF. They're not frost tolerant, so if you live in a region where frost occurs, start them indoors about 600 to 8 weeks before the last frost date. Then transplant outdoors once the soil has warmed. Now, let's talk about watering, one of the most common areas where gardeners either overdo or underdo it. Cape Marigold's African daisy loves well-drained soil and doesn't appreciate soggy roots. Think of them as desert artists. They perform best when the soil dries out slightly between watering sessions. Always water deeply but infrequently. Once the top inch of soil feels dry to the touch, it's time to water again. For container plants, make sure pots have drainage holes. Trapped water is their worst enemy. For soil preferences, choose sandy or loamy soil enriched with organic compost. The soil pH should be slightly acidic to neutral. Around 6.0 to 7.0 is perfect. If your soil is heavy clay, mix in sand or perlite to improve drainage. You'll notice healthier roots and longer bloom cycles with better airflow and water movement in the soil. Now, let's move to fertilization and pruning, the secret to lush growth and non-stop flowering. Feed your Cape Marigolds once every 3 to 4 weeks during the growing season with a balanced, water-soluble fertilizer 10-10 or one slightly higher in phosphorus for more blooms. Too much nitrogen will result in green leaves but fewer flowers, so moderation is key. Pruning is equally important. Regularly deadhead spent blooms. This simple act signals the plant to produce more flowers instead of seeds. If plants start to get leggy or overgrown mid-season, trim them back by 1/3 within a few weeks. They'll bounce back fuller and more vibrant than ever. Cape Marigolds are known for being low maintenance, But like all plants, they face some common problems. You might notice aphids or spider mites during hot, dry periods. To combat these, use a mild soap, water spray, or neem oil solution weekly until they disappear. Fungal issues like powdery mildew can appear if humidity stays high. Ensure proper spacing between plants for airflow and water the soil, not the leaves. Wilting during midday. Don't worry, Cape marigolds naturally close their blooms in extreme heat or at night, reopening again when conditions cool down. It's their natural rhythm, not a sign of distress. If you're growing them in containers, repot yearly to refresh the soil. For outdoor beds, rotate plant locations annually to prevent soil-borne diseases. Here's a little gardening secret: Cape marigolds love companionship. Pair them with plants like lavender, salvia, or dusty miller for a stunning color contrast and to attract more pollinators. Bees and butterflies adore these blooms, making them a beautiful and beneficial choice for eco-friendly gardens. In terms of lifespan and propagation, you can easily grow new plants from seeds. Sow seeds directly into warm soil in spring. You lightly pressing them into the surface, but not burying them deep. They need light to germinate. Within 7-14 days, you'll see the first seedlings. Thin them to allow proper spacing, usually about 8-10 inches apart for compact growth and ample air circulation. One of the most fascinating aspects of Cape marigolds is how they track the sun, a behavior known as heliotropism. You'll notice the blooms turning throughout the day, facing east in the morning and west in the afternoon, as if greeting the light personally. As the season progresses, your garden will transform into a brilliant display of orange, yellow, pink, and white hues, dancing gently in the breeze. Watching the petals shimmer under sunlight, you'll understand why these flowers symbolize cheerfulness, optimism, and renewal. Remember, every small effort you make the right light, careful watering, gentle pruning brings your garden to life in a way that feels deeply rewarding. Gardening isn't just about growing plants, it's about growing peace, patience, and connection with nature. So, whether you're planting your first Cape marigold or expanding an existing floral display, take pride in every bloom that graces your space. Each petal tells a story of light, warmth, and your dedication. Grow your Cape marigold, African daisy today, and let your garden glow with the joy of living color. If you love learning about seasonal flowering plants, gardening tips, and nature care, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Nature Nurture Hub, your home for year-round garden inspiration. Let's keep growing together.